Well, many families rely on childcare facilities and after-school programs, but now one of those places is a defendant in a lawsuit.
And it's a case which may be a good reminder for families to be vigilant about those they trust to care for their children. 8 News Now investigator Vanessa Murphy has this story you're seeing here first on 8 News Now.
Usually when you sign your child up to go to a child care facility or program, you provide a list of which adults can pick up your child. Now, one lawsuit alleges one place didn't stick to the list and allowed a child to go with a man later accused of being a child sex predator.
It's an extremely challenging and outrageous case.
Attorney Andre Lagomarcino is representing Jane Doe, who's now over 18 years old, but alleges she was victimized at the age of 14. She claims she attended the Boys and Girls Club of Southern Nevada in Henderson. The boyfriend of another child's mother, DeQuincy Brass, picked the two girls up, while Jane Doe alleges Brass wasn't authorized to do so. What should have happened when he tried to pick her up?
He shouldn't have been allowed. They should have kept her back and called her mom. And not allowed her to go with him.
Prosecutors say Brass sexually assaulted the girls multiple times, even taking them to a hotel off the Las Vegas Strip. Brass was later arrested, charged, and convicted of child sex crimes. The Nevada Supreme Court later tossing out his conviction, stating his attorney may have violated rules of professional conduct. Brass remains in custody while prosecutors are working to retry him.
The criminal trial has been very difficult for our client. It causes her to have to relive what happened. She has epilepsy, and so going through the criminal trial has triggered more seizures. It's been, she's got a diagnosis of post-traumatic stress disorder, which is obviously aggravated when she has to relive this in front of a courtroom full of strangers.
The 8 News Now investigators reached out to the Boys and Girls Club of Southern Nevada, which provided this statement. The safety of our club members is of the utmost importance, and we continually review and adapt our policies like other youth organizations across the country. Our current safety policies and procedures, which are listed on the BGCSNV website for the convenience of our families, have been refined over the past decade and well before the current lawsuit to reflect national best practices to meet the unique needs of family providers and caregivers, and to provide standardization of safety policies across all Boys and Girls Clubs. Is this a wake-up call or a reminder for child care facilities to pay attention to those lists?
It should be a wake-up call, and if it's not, there were many other wake-up calls before this situation. Child care facilities, while they care for children, are also magnets for predators who may see an opportunity to take advantage of lax security or lax procedures to do harm on young children.
The court battle continues. Vanessa Murphy, 8 News Now.